Hey, welcome back to your Excel chart lab this evening. Tonight's stock is JPMorgan Chase, another big player in the financial markets, of course. Before we get started, of course, a big favor to ask, if you watch the video, click the like button for me. Also, there'll be a link to the spreadsheet in the description to the video and in the comments. So go out and grab the spreadsheet for yourself and take it for a test drive, okay? Of course, before we get started, we got here, standard disclaimer applies. This video is for educational purposes only. It is not for financial, investment, or trading advice, okay? So let's jump in with our first 10, 20-day moving averages. Main thing here we look at over here, this big cross. You got two big crossovers here, led to a big bull run here. Then, back on the first week of January, we took this big dive, crossed underneath a big, so if you got out of here, you did pretty good. The good news is, the actual price is back above the 10-day moving average now, moving back. That's good news. Again, here you can see that we have this big bull moving right here. Now again, we crossed underneath these. Now we're moving back up. So again, this is bullish momentum. Bollinger Bands, main thing what you look at here is what happened, how it narrowed out to here. Then we got this big volatility move here. But again, the price is moving upward. Dividends, good news. We always like dividend good news. Something happened here in 2009, 2010, probably has to do with 2008's markets. But here, starting again during the second quarter of 2011, we went from 25 cents a share up to $1.50 a share for the fourth quarter of 2025. Of course, the forecast, this is the frozen forecast because the forecast is frozen on January 1st. We can actually compare the forecast to the actual values. And the dark blue line there, that's the actual values for January. So as we move further away from this point up here, so already 1 month into our forecast, we're already outside. We're kind of treading along this line right there. Okay, but anyway, as always, of course, you know, the ETS is not optimized for stocks, so take this data with a grain of salt. Okay.